Chinky, Puntun Kids Games has been launched now. Wow, I also want to play now. Hurry up and go to Play Store and download Puntun Kids Games. I'm also downloading it. You also download it quickly and start the fun. Link is in the description.
Mother's Day. Today, Gattu Chinky were making some gestures on the dinner table. Papa was busy watching TV, but Mummy was looking at Gattu Chinky.
Hey, what's the matter, Gattu Chinky?
What matter? Nothing at all, Mummy.
Why nothing at all? I have been looking at both of you for a long time. You are not paying attention to eating, and God knows what you're talking in sign language.
Nothing like that, Mummy. It's really nothing.
Chinky changed the topic. Then Mummy also got busy in cleaning the table. Everyone went to sleep after dinner. It was midnight, and Gattu was going to drink water in the kitchen.
Mummy, Papa both are asleep. Come on, Chinky. But Gattu, why have we come here to talk? We could have talked in our room too, right? No, Chinky. Mummy and Papa's room is right next to our room. No matter how softly we talk, they could have heard our voice. Oh, you are so smart, Gattu. So tell me, what is the plan?
Gattu whispers something in Chinky's ear, and Chinky listens very carefully to that.
Wow, what a plan. Well done, Gattu.
Hey, tell me too what the plan is, kids. Gattu Chinky gets surprised to see Papa.
Papa, you?
Yes, dear, me. I too had noticed both of you on the dining table, and I had understood that something is definitely wrong. Now tell me quickly what is the matter. Gattu Chinky got scared by Papa's threat, and they told Papa about their whole plan. Ha 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 ha! So that is it. Fine. I am also with you in this, kids. Gattu Chinky and Papa were now planning something together, which Mummy did not know. The next day, all three got up early in the morning and got ready.
What is this? How did you three get up so early today? And you got ready too? What is the matter?
I do not know about Gattu Chinky, but I am going to office.
Office? On Sunday?
Oh, yes. Today is Sunday. Actually, there is a client meeting, so I am going there. It's urgent. Okay, bye-bye. Papa quickly went out of the house. Mummy stared at Gattu and Chinky and said,
And what are you both ready for? Do you have a meeting too?
No, Mummy. We are going to Hari's house to make a project. We will have breakfast there. Don't make breakfast today. Yes, today you take rest, Mummy. Bye-bye.
Gattu Chinky also quickly left the house. Now Mummy started having a lot of doubts about everyone.
Where did everyone go in such a hurry? And no one even had breakfast. Are all of them angry with me?
It was about to be evening, and no one had returned home till now. Mummy was getting very tensed now.
I should call Hari's house and ask. Gattu Chinky have not returned yet.
Mummy was going to call Hari's house to find about Gattu Chinky when she noticed a bag in front of her. This was Papa's office bag.
What is this? This bag has been left over here. Whenever Gattu Chinky's father goes for any office work, he takes his bag with him. What is going on here? Now I will go to get Gattu Chinky myself and find out what is the matter.
Mummy locks the house and goes straight to Hari's house. But when she reaches Hari's house, she gets surprised because Gattu Chinky were not there.
Auntie, Gattu Chinky never came here. And we did not get any project to do either. I don't know why they said so.
I am getting very worried now. I don't know where Gattu Chinky are. And their father is also not picking up my calls. I will go home quickly. Maybe they came home back.
Mummy goes back home again, and she tries to open the lock using the keys, but finds out that the door was already unlocked. This makes Mummy even more scared.
What is this? This door is open, but I locked it while leaving. Yes, I remember very well. Is someone there in the house?
Mummy opens the door hesitantly. The room was completely dark. Mummy slowly turns on the light switch and... Surprise!
Surprise!
Papa, Gattu and Chinky were standing there, and the whole house was decorated. A big cake was on the table on which it was written, Happy Mother's Day.
Oh, so you guys were doing this since morning. I was so scared.
Gattu Chinky ran and hugged Mummy and wished her.
Happy Mother's Day, Mummy. Sorry we scared you. Yes, Mummy, sorry. And you are the best mummy in the world.
You both are best kids in the world too.
Let's go and cut the cake.
Gattu Chinky pull Mummy and take her along, and Mummy cuts the cake. Everyone claps. Mummy was also very happy. She feeds cake to everyone. After this, Papa also ordered special dinner from Mummy's favorite restaurant. Come on, kids. We have to give special treatment to Mummy today. So serve her everything one by one and nicely.
But why? I will do it.
You do it every day, Mummy. Today, let us do everything for you.
Okay, kids.
Gattu Chinky served dinner to Mummy with great love. And Papa makes Mummy's favorite mojito. Mummy enjoys this fancy and special dinner. After eating the food, Mummy says,
So that is why you guys were behaving so weirdly since morning? You were preparing for this surprise?
Yes, and this was Gattu Chinky's plan. I heard them whispering in the kitchen last night. And that's when I came to know everything.
Yes, Mummy. And together we three had gone shopping for you. And we're waiting in the garden for you to go out for some work so that we could come inside the home and do the decoration.
Wow, this was the master plan.
Everyone starts laughing at this. Mummy was very happy with her surprise. Today after dinner, Papa and Gattu together cleaned the dishes, and in the meantime, Chinky gave Mummy a head massage.
Now you can also buy our favorite toys from www.puntunkids.com. Link is in the description.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.